Write the number of values of x in 0 to 2 pi that satisfy the equation sin square x minus cos x is equal to 1 upon 4. Sin square x we can also write it as 1 minus cos square x minus cos x is equal to 1 upon 4, or we can write this as cos square x plus cos x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 equals to 0. So that is cos square x plus cos x plus 1 by 4 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 4 equals to 0. By taking LCM we can write 4 cos square x plus 4 cos x minus 3 equals to 0. So let us simplify this. So we can write this as 4 cos square x, and since 4 into minus 3 minus 12, so let me write 6 cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 equals to 0. So from the first two terms I can take 2 cos x common, so we can write 2 cos x plus 3, and from the last two terms we can take minus common, so we had 2 cos x plus 3 equals to 0. So whereby we can write 2 cos x plus 3 equals to 0, or 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So the first one, cos x is equal to minus 3 by 2 will get, but which is less than minus 1 is not possible, since cos x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So cos x is equal to minus 3 by 2, which is not possible. And one more we had, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. And since it is in the interval 0 to 2 pi, so cos is positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. So either it can be in the first quadrant, say cos x is equal to cos pi by 3, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, and also in the fourth quadrant we can consider cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. So the first quadrant is 2 pi plus or 2 pi minus theta. So we can write here 2 pi minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 to the 6 pi minus 1 pi, that is 5 pi by 3. So the number of values of x for which the condition is satisfied is x is equal to pi by 3 and x is equal to 5 pi by 3. For these two values of x in 0 to 2 pi, the equation is satisfied. Okay, right. Thank you.